What's the meaning of cadaver? Cadaver. Cadaver.
Cadaver. Cadaver. The term cadaver refers to a dead body, typically one that is being used for medical study, research, or dissection. The word is commonly used in the fields of anatomy and medicine to describe a human or animal body that has died and is undergoing examination. Cadavers are an important resource for medical professionals and researchers as they allow for the study of the internal structures of the body, the effects of disease and injury, and the development of new medical treatments. While the use of cadavers may be unsettling to some, it is a necessary part of advancing our understanding of the human body and improving medical care.